Alright guys, our next video we're gonna code a button here. Okay, so my idea is to put a button here. Let's do it. I have written here some information just to let you know what are those things about. So I have this comment here just telling in this Z stack here in the beginning I have the image background, and then I have the title here, the example of quadratic equation, the text fields where user gonna fill with information, and right underneath, but still in the V stack, in this little space here, I am going to add a button. Alright, by default it comes like this. There's a text here saying button, and then it accepts an action. It appears here on the bottom of my app, so when I tap, nothing happens. Okay, let's work on the view of this button, the way the users are gonna see it. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this word button here, and after I delete that, I'm gonna tap here in those two little dots. Oops, two little dots. What happens? Okay, nothing happens. Okay, I need here to label the things the way the button will look like. So when I start writing label, there is here this first option. I'm gonna tap enter on it, and then it asks sorry, and then it asks for code inside of the label. Here we're gonna modify the button. Okay, it's not gonna be this button anymore. So to get started, I think it would be nice if we could change the text of it and rename it to calculate. Remember, in your app you can write anything here. It can be like a symbol or something. In this example I'm gonna use calculate. Okay, so you calculate here. It would be cool if the background there was like a frame where you could see like a rectangle with round borders, just like those text fields. Okay, so dot frame, and then I'm looking for a frame where it has the width, the height. I'm gonna choose this second one. I'm not gonna mess with this alignment, so I'm gonna delete it, and then I need to enter the values of the width and the height. As I have done this before, I'm gonna set those values here, 270 and 50. Okay, right now nothing happens because we need to set a color for this background. So I'm gonna write here background. Okay, so let's have a color in this background. So I'm gonna enter color here, and then I'm gonna say this color is gonna be, what color could it be? Pink, to match with the title. So I'm gonna write here pink. Okay, oh, look the way it looks like. It's like a square, actually a rectangle with calculate inside. Okay, not so beautiful, huh? Let's change the corner radius of my button. So I tap here corner radius, it's the first option. I tap here, and then I change the values. You can make tests. I'm gonna test 10. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's beautiful already. I like the way it looks like. but I think it would be better if the word calculate be white, just like this. Okay, let's make it happen. Let me see, what can I do? Okay, I'll change the foreground color of the text. So when I write foreground color, it's gonna be white. Let's see the way it looks like. Way better, but it still needs some modification here. What can I do here? I change the font of dot font. What do I have here? Okay, dot system. Okay, when I start dot system, I'm gonna have few options here. So I have the size of it, the weight, the design. I'm gonna tap on this one. Okay, what size could it be? Okay, I'll try 25 to see what happens. I know that would be pretty good. And then on the weight, I have these options here. I think it would be a good idea if we could test it, but my favorite one is bold. And my font design, by default, I have only these ones. I had to download and import the other design, so I'll keep it simple and go rounded. Let's see the way it looks like right now. Wow, way more beautiful. Okay, what else can I do here? Maybe padding. Okay, I have a padding, now I have more space separating here. I guess this is it for a while. We finish how to do the button. Next video, we're gonna learn how to make the functionality of this button, okay? Thank you.